Hello lovelies, it is Vlogmas day 1. Welcome to my channel. So what we're going to do today, I'm going to show you my travel essentials because we will be traveling. So first things first, I got this travel bag that I got from Target about 2 years ago. It was on clearance for $10, so I got that. Open it. This is the compartment. And then you flip it like that. So I'm going to tell you what I have in here. I have my 24-hour edge tamer for slicking my hair. I have the Keratin Smooth oil. Couple hairpins. These are glitter ones. Kiss lashes in number 11. I doubled them, so these are the lashes I have now. I also have my Duo lash glue. I have my liquid eyeliner. I have this beautiful Milani Gilded Terror palette, and look at those beautiful shades. It is gorgeous, especially is very good for the holiday season. So this is great. I have my Maybelline Fit Me, the matte and poreless in the shade 334 Warm Sand. This is my shade. My Maybelline Fit Me matte poreless 235. I use this for my part in my wig. My beauty blender I have to wash. My Great lashes, well, mascara. I have my Power Grip primer by e.l.f. Love this. My concealer brush. My Sephora clear lip gloss. I have this NYX suede matte lip liner in Club Hopper, this beautiful brown. I have this NYX butter gloss in the color Praline. This is the OG, if you remember, the YouTube OG. This is my lip bar lip pencil. And does this have a shade on it? This does not have a shade on it, but it's a beautiful purple color. I have my NYX lingerie double XL color is Stamina. This is beautiful, beautiful red. And for my hair essentials, what I have is my Garnier Fructis Curl Air Dry Cream. And this, I love using this for my curly hair. I have this Mist water bottle. Works great. I use it way more than the straight shooter water bottle. Do not prefer that one. So other essentials I also have for travel. Carbon monoxide detector. With all the things going on with the hotels outside the country, I know if you guys have heard about carbon monoxide, people are getting sick from it or dying from it. So I just decided to bring carbon monoxide detector with me just for my own safety. And I also bring a towel. I like to bring my own towel any hotel I go through. Whether it's in the States, out the States, I like to bring my own towel. Gotta keep a charger with you. I always bring my charger with me everywhere I go. If I'm just going to the store, anywhere, always keep a charger with you. Anything can happen. And a portable charger. Also get a portable charger. And bring my tripod. My tripod is, I'm using it right now, but in my light. I'm going to show you in a second. My light that I have for my tripod, it comes in different colors. That's how it looks turned off. And then you just dim it up, or you could dim it down. But that is all I have for my travel essentials for this video. Just want to do a little intro video for Vlogmas. It's day 1. Continue watching. I'll be doing Vlogmas every single day. Thanks for watching. Bye, lovelies. Yeah, press me up, all up in your love.